I'm going to show you in this video how to clean and maintain your Shark vacuum cleaner. Now there are a few things you should do on a regular basis. I'm going to remove and clean the DuoClean soft roller. Now this roller is in the front of the bristle roller that is in the centre of your vacuum cleaner. You can simply remove it and clean it. That's the first thing to do. Now after I've cleaned it, I'm using a toothbrush to clean it. As soon as I've done that, I'm going to put it into some water. Now we'll now leave it to dry. Next is to take off the soft roller. This is by pushing a little red button up and then you can remove it. I'm going to wash it in water, just lukewarm water that has a little bit of detergent in there, and I'm just going to clean it up. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to remove the dust container and the filters. There are 3 main filters, and there's also one at the front for to protect the motor. Now as you can see, I simply filled it up with water and given it a good clean. Now I'm going to put the filters back in the right order. You can click it in place. Then you can put a handle back in and slip the dust container back on. You can of course use that part as a separate cleaner if you want to go up and down the stairs. The final 2 parts I put in is the rollers after it's all been cleaned. Just clip it in place. And there are 3, you can use a penny or 2 pence to lock it. That's it, good as new. And then clipping the pipes on. I cleaned the pipes out earlier. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to look at any more of my DIY videos, then please go onto my channel.